music night, where echoes of the past whisper through the night, searching for peace in a turbulent sea of vibrant tapestry of who I long to be. Feel the warmth of love in the air, a moment of clarity, your heart laid bare. Underneath the stars we chase the sun, lost in that music we become one. Whispers of the cosmos wrapped in our souls, a journey of colors that endlessly unfolds. Feel the rhythm of our hearts collide. In this sweet embrace there's nowhere to hide. She's a nurse to wrong those tears. There's a fight to us and suffer a seal. The twilight secrets unfold, winds of the city whisper tales untold, searching for clarity in the mystic air, where the echoes of our heart lay bare. Through the mist of twilight we find our way, echoes of tomorrow break into day. Floating on the breeze, whispers of the night, with every note we sing, we chase the light. City lights twinkle like stars in our eyes, navigating life beneath the velvet skies. With a heartbeat strong we dance through the pain, the tapestry of time we rise again. It's in the haze of the evening where shadows play, crafty moments go in a carefree sway, lost in the efforts of laughter and light, chasing reflections till the stars are bright. She's able to feel the sound of the night waves, the night of us night, all this first lonely where echoes collide, the night of the evening, we wander alone. City lights flicker bright stars in our eyes, navigating life beneath the velvet skies. With a heartbeat strong we dance through the pain, in the tapestry of time we rise again.